These defined curls ain't for sitting at home, baby.
Look, look at this. Somebody come look at this. No.
A few inches later.
That was amazing. Hello, kinfolk. Welcome back to NaturallyPhilo, and welcome to all of my new subscribers. Welcome to the KINfolk family, the best community here on YouTube. The video I recently posted on YouTube about this being the best time to grow your natural hair is doing some numbers, okay? So I was reading the comments in that video, and a lot of people wanted to know how I got my hair like that with the curls. But that wasn't really the point of the video. The point of the video was for you to twist your hair and massage your scalp before you go to bed. But I understand a lot of people want to know about curl definition as well. So today I'm giving y'all a quick tutorial on how I get my curls defined. It's so easy actually. So if you are interested, stay tuned. Alright, thank you so much for sticking around. If you haven't already, please subscribe and like this video because you already know it's going to be what? Good! I have to be real with y'all. The best wash and stay home days, the best curl definition days are on second day hair. I said it. You know how some food is better the day after you cook it? Like aben kwine palm nut soup and katen kwine peanut butter soup with some benku. Oh my god, I wish my grandmother was here. I'm so sorry. Y'all, some hairstyles look better the next day and the day after that. I'm telling you right now, wash and goes, even though we don't call them that anymore, slay, bang on second day hair. Just to clarify, in this video, I'm refreshing my style after 3 to 4 days. So it's not second day hair, but it's like the 4th day. And oh, it's about to be so much more banging than the first day I did it. So today, I'm going to show you that method. All you have to do is take off your bonnet. Yes, my hair is twisted. If your hair is in an afro under your bonnet right now, I'm very disappointed in you. I'm very disappointed because you know on this channel it is all about length retention. It's all about doing healthy hair care practices. So why did you not twist your hair before bed? Anyways, let's continue with the people that did. Okay, why did I actually tear up? What? Nah, that's how you know I take this seriously, okay? So as you can see, my hair is... Who am I shaving for? We are home, okay? To all the people in the comments saying I never shaved my armpits. Now I have an excuse. We are home. Leave me alone. So I'm gonna unravel each twist. I'm gonna wet it and then twist it back up. This way, when I'm done and ready to style, I have my hair already in sections, okay? I'm going to do that same thing to my whole head and then I'll be back to style. Hey kinfolk, I'm back face beat for the living room couch and now I'm gonna show you how I define my curls. Alright. So I'm gonna start with one section, water. Water is your best friend when it comes to curl definition, y'all. Make sure you really soak your hair. Next, I'm gonna get a lightweight leave-in, alright? This leave-in conditioner from Moisture Miracle. It's good. Nice lightweight liquid leave-in. Oh, it smells so good. No combing necessary because our hair was already washed, styled, and it was just rinsed with water. So as you can see, my hair is not tangled at all, right? So just work that in there. Now this leave-in conditioner is really liquid, okay? I don't recommend it for people looking for a leave-in that is going to detangle their hair. It's a nice like style primer. Next, I'm gonna grab a lightweight styling product. This is the Flaxseed Curl Custard from, you guessed it, I'm always repping their products, but Natural. As you can see, I grabbed a generous amount, okay? And now it's gonna start from the ends. It's so moisturizing. And work your way up. You really want to make sure you get a really good styling product that's moisturizing and doesn't clump your curls like crazy. Oh goodness. There are a lot of gels out there like Eco Stylers, Wet Lines that really clump up your curls and make it crunchy. When it dries, it doesn't give you this voluminous, you know, bouncy look. It does give you definition though, but you're sacrificing volume. This product, you get definition and you get volume. So I'm just going to shingle it this way. This is how I like to shingle. I learned this from Tamika.
Tamika calls it the perpendicular method. You're supposed to go up and down and across, then down. It looks like I'm just going up and down, but y'all get the point. It's a shingling method that helps define your curls.
So that's how I get definition and volume when I define my curls. You want to use a really lightweight leave-in conditioner and follow it up with a gel, custard, or jelly that isn't going to make your hair hella crunchy. Alright, so let me continue. This is really quick and easy, y'all. When you a one-man show.
To reiterate, this is the flaxseed curl custard from Natural. So I used the leave-in from Moisture Miracle and then I followed it with this custard. So 2 steps, 2 products to achieve these bomb curls.
So I'm down to the last one. I usually don't go to my scalp. I don't want to put any product in my scalp. I want to leave it cleansed. So I go up to the root, but not my scalp.
And there you have it, kinfolk. That's how I define my curls. Slow motion for me. So I love this technique and this product combination because my hair is left with body and movement. Too many times we define our curls and it's stiff, but not over here, sweethearts.
All right, so now I'm gonna seal in the style and add shine with some avocado oil. I like to shake because it helps separate all the curls so it could look nice and spirally.
Please don't shake your head too hard. We don't want to give yourself a headache or anything, okay? Now here's my hair, 90% dry. As you can see, it still has body and movement and the curls are still defined, baby. Okay, we don't play. Alright, shrinkage is crazy. But yeah, I'm getting ready for bed. And as you can see, I am twisting my hair. That's what we do on this channel. We don't want any single strand knots. So we twist our hair before bed. I got fancy and I put in some Bantu knots. Don't at me. Alright, so getting ready for bed. And of course, I'm gonna wash my face.
So to the people that were asking in the comment section, how do I define my curls? This is exactly how. It's a very easy method. Try this out and let me know what you think about it. And in the comment section, if you already define your curls like this, let us know how it's going for you. So I hope you enjoyed this video, kinfolk. Before I leave, remember to follow me on Instagram. Every Sunday at 6 p.m. EST, I go live with a hairstylist. It is part of my new series called Ask the Stylist, which is a virtual IGTV live where you get to ask a very knowledgeable stylist all your toughest natural hair questions. All right, this next Sunday is going to be episode 3. Can't wait to see y'all there. So remember to follow me so you get the inside scoop. In my next styling video, I'm going to show you guys how I add even more volume using some clip-in extensions that I got from Curls. So that's going to be in another video. But until then, enjoy these curls, honey. Enjoy these natural curls, sweetheart. Did I slay? Let me know in the comment section. Have a blessed day, kinfolk. Remember, like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time on NaturallyPhilo, keep it quarantined. Keep it naturally.
Genging and banging, since me youngin', living and learning, dressing and flexing. You have been posting and liking. commencing.